You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very interesting scientific name. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. Yes, this one is confusing and there are different pronunciations, I'm afraid, but let's go through. The first word can be pronounced either abruptio, or abruptio. Okay, so that's one difference. The second word is generally pronounced in English as placentae, alright? But it can also be pronounced as placentae. Generally placentae. So if you go abruptio placentae, you're safe, but you can also say it as abruptio placentae, or abruptio placentae, or abruptio placentae. So it's up to you. How do you like to pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. It'd be interesting to know. But at least now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.